Hey guys, Morgan from the Rag Company here, and today I have my friend Fraser from Wowo's Detailing.
Thanks for having us, Morgan.
Of course. So today we're actually going to talk about a couple of my favorite products in the line. It's going to be the Quick Detail and the Showstopper combo. So this is my favorite combo for before car shows or photo shoots. So I say we show these guys how to use it.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Sweet.
So one of the best things about the Quick Detailer is it's so easy to use. So when you get to a car show or even just after you finish a wash, you want to top up that gloss, bit of protection to it, simply just mist it on. We don't need a lot of product. 3 quick sprays will do it. Knock it down. And then just flip your towel over. And you're done.
Sweet, and then just top it with this, right?
Yeah, the difference with Showstopper is it's not going to give you the protection that you get, and it's not going to encapsulate the dirt, but by the time you're using it, it's literally just a bottle of straight gloss. It's not designed to last a long time, so it's perfect for shows.
Right, and then we just want to do a couple...
Same again, yeah.
Awesome. Want to hold that for me?
Of course.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, well, Showstopper is just designed for pure, intense gloss, adding vibrancy to the color. It couldn't be much easier to use, and it's just perfect for that show season.
I love it. All right, and I think I've done enough outros for today, so I say you take this one.
Well, look, thank you very much, guys. If you want to grab some of these awesome products, head to theragcompany.com and subscribe below for more great videos.